Shesha Naga refers to the king of Naga or serpents. The word Shesha comes from the Sanskrit language which translates to that which remains. This means that Shesha Naga exists even after everything has ended. Shesha Naga is generally described as a massive serpent that floats coiled in space. It is said that when Shesha Naga uncoils, time moves forward and creation takes place, and when he coils back, the universe ceases to exist. Shesha Naga is believed to have 5 heads, and it is said that all the planets in the universe are located in its heads. So each time he shifts Earth from one head to another, it is believed that an earthquake takes place. Basically, Shesha Naga is considered to be responsible for the concept of gravitational force, which makes sure that all planets and stars revolve around each other. According to Mahabharata, Shesha was born as the eldest son of sage Kashyapa and his wife Kadru. A lot of Shesha's brothers were cruel and were bent upon inflicting harm on others. Disgusted by his brother's actions, Shesha left his mother and kin and started meditating in places including Gandhamadana, Bhadrakashrama, Gokarna, Pushkara, and the Himalayas. Penances were so severe that his flesh, skin, and muscles dried up and merged with his frame. Brahma, convinced of his Shesha's will, asked Shesha to request a boon. Shesha asked that he be able to keep his mind under control so that he could continue to perform ascetic penances. Lord Brahma gladly accepted the request and also asked him a favor, to go beneath the unstable earth and stabilize it. Shesha agreed and went to the netherworld and stabilized her with his hood. Since then, Paitila became his residence and is said to have lived in its deep layers.